you. And with the jury beginning deliberation as soon as today, defense attorney Jonathan Lavoy is here to walk us through the Mattioli case. Good morning, Jonathan. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. So you're not involved with this case, but you've been watching it. Let's talk big picture first. What makes this case so important?
Well, there are two sides of this story that are so very different. And while there's a lot of facts that are agreed upon, the parties also very much disagree about the ultimate question. What was the cause of death? And the issue that the jury's going to have to wrestle with today is, was the actions of Mr. Mattioli reasonable? And should he have done what he did to hold him down until police arrived? So I think the jury has a lot to wrestle with today.
We heard a little bit about Mattioli holding him down, but then we also heard about Acevedo's pre-existing conditions. So I do want to talk a little bit about Mattioli taking the stand in his own defense, talking about all this. This was a surprise move. What are your thoughts as legal expert?
Well, I thought it was necessary for him to testify because he had to explain to the jury why he put him in this hold for that period of time. And he had to talk about the fact that he cared about his breathing, that he cared about his health, and that he was surprised that this happened. So I wasn't surprised that Mr. Mattioli testified, but that came with a cost because when he did choose to take the stand, he had to answer a bunch of very difficult cross-examination questions from the state, and some of the inconsistencies of his testimony were exposed.
We did also hear a portion of that 911 call, and within that, we kind of hear in the background Acevedo saying that he'll get up, he'll go. How do you think that's going to play for the jury as well? Kind of, is it giving a little morsel of doubt?
I think the jury's going to really care about this because if Mr. Acevedo was ready, willing, and able to get up and leave, then why in the world is he holding him down for that period of time? But if he wasn't and Mr. Mattioli had no other choice, then it might be reasonable. So I think the jury has to wrestle with whether Mr. Acevedo was truly going to leave the scene because, of course, nothing's worth the death of anyone over property or over a scuffle like this.
So many questions, and we're going to continue with you guys a little bit later as we are all just kind of glued to this case, not only just for Mattioli's case, but once again, the bigger picture and impact it's going to have on the public as well. It took years to even get to this case. So we will pick this conversation back up. Thank you so much, defense attorney Jonathan Lavoy, coming up in the next hour. We'll see you back here on FOX6 Wake Up. Thanks.